I'm CharlesShuazhou, a real estate agent. I came to Vancouver with family since 1997, and I have been helping homeowners since 2012. I love my work because I love to help people, listen to their stories, and be part of seeking for happiness. When I was a kid, I used to live with different relatives from time to time. And this experience helped me recognize the real value of a home. Real estate business was never easy as it seems to be. Most people see real estate agent as a simple job, driving a nice car, wearing a nice suit, but the hard work can never seen by others. Every time when we overcome all obstacles, help clients find their dream home, this moment, knowing them will enjoy their new lovely home, all the hard work I have put into it was totally worth it. A good agent has to be knowledgeable in both building materials and constructions, providing client with advice to help them make a proper decision. A good agent has to be a neighborhood expert who can provide information on schools, shoppings, crime rates, community work, daily activities, and more. A good agent also has to be knowledgeable at real estate law and also adequate taxation knowledge relating to real estate, providing enough information to help client to mitigate their risks. Every time we hand over a key is the start of a new journey. New challenges awaits. My mission is to help you find a dream home.